A cycle race across America is 3,069.25 miles in length. Juan knows his average speed for his previous races is 15.12 miles per hour. For the next race across America, he will cycle for 8 hours per day. Estimate how many days Juan will take to complete the race. So this is an estimate question, so we have to first of all figure out some nice equivalents for these numbers. So 3,069.25 miles we'll just call 3,000, and 15.12 we will just call 15. Okay? So now we first have to do 3,000 divided by 15. So we know that 30 divided by 15 equals 2, with 2 extra zeros. So that would be 200 hours. Okay, now we have to work out how many days. So he cycles for 8 hours a day. So we just do 200 divided by 8. We know that there are 28 in 160, with 40 remaining, so that would be 25 days. Okay, so we know that the estimate for the number of days he takes would be 25. If you need to do the bus-stop method or for any of his divisions, then that was absolutely fine. Juan trains for the race. The average speed he can cycle at increases. It is now 16.27 miles per hour. How does this affect your answer? Now, there are two possible answers for this, and either one is acceptable. So the first one is that the number of days will go down because his speed has increased. However, you could also argue that because 16.27 would round down to 15 for the estimation, then your estimation would be the same. Both answers are acceptable as long as you justify them as I have just done.